How to add members in Google Home. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add other people. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon, and here on the bottom, there's a section called Home Member. Simply tap on Home Member, and here you'll be able to add their email ID or their name. So you can simply add the one. So make sure that they are also inside Google Home, because it won't be accepted if they are not connected to it. So simply tap on the email, and at last tap on next. So the invitation has been sent to the person. Now they must accept it, and they will be a member inside your home too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.